In this video, we will show you how to create a slope graph in Qlik Cloud using a line chart. A slope graph is a type of data visualization used to compare the change or difference between 2 points for multiple categories or items. To get started, from the Asset panel, drag and drop a line chart onto your sheet. Add your primary dimension to the line chart. In our example, we'll use category name. Introduce a secondary dimension. For this demonstration, let's add year. Now, add your measure. We are using an expression to calculate the ratio of the sum of sales for the current selection compared to the sum of sales across all years. When done, click Apply. Let's customize the line chart. Go to the Appearance section and select Presentation, and check the option Show Data Points. In the Value Labels drop-down menu, choose All. Then, under Data, expand the measure and adjust the number formatting to number, and select the percentage option. Then, reorder the dimensions. Set Year as Group and Category Name as the line. Under Presentation, select Styling and navigate to the Chart tab. Here, adjust the line thickness and data point size. Then, increase the size of the value labels and legend labels as needed. Finally, in the Y-axis settings, select None for both the Label and Title drop-down menu. And here you have the result. You have now created a slope graph using a line chart. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.